Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making beautiful moon biscuits. Some biscuits bring back childhood memories with just one bite. Buttery, delicate and wonderfully crumbly, with their charming crescent shape and melt in the mouth texture. These homemade biscuits are perfect with tea, coffee or simple on their own. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 1½ cup flour, 3/4 cup powdered sugar. Sieve them together to ensure a smooth texture. Now add 2/3 cup ghee. Ghee adds flavor and richness in small quantities. Using your fingertips, gently combine everything until it comes together into a soft dough. Ghee gives biscuits a unique richness and aroma. Avoid overworking the mixture to keep the biscuits tender. No kneading is needed, just mix until the dough holds its shape. Divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Take one portion and roll it out evenly. Roll the dough evenly for uniform cooking. Using a glass to cut beautifully moon-shaped biscuits. Arrange on a tray. Homemade biscuits contain fewer preservatives than packaged version. Making treats at home allows better ingredients control. Place a pan with a wire stand. Preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the biscuits inside. Cover and cook for 12 to 15 minutes on medium-low heat. Allow them to cool completely before serving. Your homemade moon biscuits are ready. Light, buttery and perfect for sharing with loved ones. The result is a batch of delicate moon biscuit that practically melt with every bite. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more classic biscuits, homemade dessert and easy baking recipes.